So Facebook just updated their monetization requirements for Facebook pages, and we're going to talk about it in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So last week Facebook updated their requirements for monetization. This is for people who want to make money via their Facebook pages if you have at least 1,000 followers. Now, I've been getting non-stop messages and emails and comments from people asking me, does this mean that now I can make money easily with my Facebook page if I only have 1,000 followers? And the answer is yes and no. And that's mainly because this new requirements, this new updated information that Facebook is providing for people who want to apply for monetization doesn't really mean that you can get into Facebook ad breaks and make money with your videos. I'm going to explain to you in this video why that is and how you can find out this information from within the Facebook Creator Studio. Now, before we jump into the video, this is a quick note for those of you who keep asking me, sending me messages on Instagram and sending me emails asking me if I'm going to lower the price of my course, because as you guys know, I launched my Facebook Income School last week. And basically Facebook Income School is my course with over 40 videos that can teach you how to grow Facebook pages, how to monetize your videos, how to find content, everything that you might need to know on how to make money on Facebook is going to be found in that course. You'll also get access to a private Facebook group where you can ask all the questions that you want. You can talk to me, you can talk to the students in my group, and you can get the support that you need in order to succeed on Facebook. Now, many of you have asked me if I'm going to lower the price of my course once again, because in the first week, I created a 50% discount for those of you who took action. And so I've received a ton of emails and messages of people asking me if I'm going to do that again. And so I've decided to extend the discounted price. If you want to get access to my course, you can now do it. Clicking in the description below, you can go and get it. Now, I don't know how long I'm going to keep that price, mainly because I want to make sure that the people who get access to the course actually take action, actually implement the things that I'm teaching in that course, and go out there and start making money on Facebook. If you lower the price too much, lots of people just buy the course just for the sake of getting another course, and they never take action. So I want action takers who are actually going to go through the information and implement it. So if you want to save some money and get that discount, just go to the link below and you'll be able to get access to it. All right, so with that said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dive into my computer and show you the details of this new updates on monetization. All right, so we're in the Facebook for Creators page, and this is where you'll be able to see whether your page qualifies for monetization on Facebook. And this page is brand new. This is something that they recently added, and I keep getting emails and comments and messages on my Instagram from people asking me, well, can I really make money on Facebook now that they have made it easier to get monetized? The honest answer is not necessarily. They actually didn't make it easier. They just added more monetization features, allowing you to make money with your page in different ways. And there's multiple ways to make money on Facebook right now. There's Facebook ad breaks, there's instant articles, there's brands, and I'm going to talk about some of those in this video. However, they did made it a little bit easier for you to get monetized by getting access to some monetization features for your page. So now it says your page needs about 1,000 followers in order to qualify. That's one of the requirements that you need in order to get monetization. It says engagement, you need about 15,000 post engagements in the last 60 days. But here's the keyword, or, meaning that you got to get one of these three in order to get monetized. It also adds in the last 60 days, you needed 180,000 minutes view between all your videos, and this one is very common for ad breaks. In the last 60 days, you needed 30,000 1-minute views on videos that are at least 3 minutes long. So the keyword here is or, mainly because if you get one of these three, technically you qualify for monetization with your page. If you go to the Creator Studio, you'll notice that there's different monetization options for your page. The one that I was just talking about is for Brand Collabs Manager, meaning that you can work with brands and paid partnerships. And notice that it says, 15,000 post engagements, 180,000 minutes view, 30,000 1-minute views. If you get one of these three, technically you can qualify for monetization, and you can work with brands. And this is very similar to what many YouTubers do with sponsorships. However, if you take a look at the ad break section, and this is for monetizing your videos, meaning that ads actually play on your videos, you're able to make money for the ads on your videos, the requirements are still the same. It says 10,000 followers and 30,000 1-minute views for 3-minute videos. So there's the keyword here is or and, meaning that you have to get these two in order to get monetized for ad breaks, and for brand collabs you need this or this or this. So yes, it is definitely easier now to get monetized for your page in order to get some sponsorships and make money from your page by working with brands and working with other pages. But if you still want to make money with ad breaks, you still got to get 10,000 followers and 30,000 1-minute views for your page. So as you can see, although they made it a lot easier for people to monetize their Facebook pages using brands, you still need 10,000 followers and 30,000 1-minute views in order to make money with ad breaks. But don't worry, getting 10,000 followers is not as difficult as you might think. In fact, I've done it and I teach my students how to do that in my course as well. And if you have a Facebook page already with 10,000 followers, you might simply need to upload just 2-3 videos per day for the next 2-3 weeks. You might be able to get monetized in less than a month. So guys, these are the updates from Facebook. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.